Jake Ludington here, and I'm going to show you how you can connect a computer wirelessly to your HDTV. You basically need two things in order to make this happen. One, you need a adapter that connects to the back of your TV, and the other thing you need is a computer running Intel's wireless display technology. And I'll provide a list along with this video that shows you all of the various laptops that currently support this. I'll be using a Sony Vaio that was provided to me by Intel for this test, along with Netgear's push-to-TV adapter that connects to the back of your TV. Let me show you how this works. As you can see on the TV screen behind me here, this is currently connected to a Netgear push-to-TV unit. I'm going to disconnect it so that I can kind of show you how it works. Basically, this little device is what allows you to connect wirelessly from your laptop to an HDTV. It connects using just a standard HDMI connection, and then of course it's got a power cable. It does have some analog RCA ports on the back, but for the purposes of this, we're not going to use that. You connect up via HDMI, and then this has some internal workings that communicate using Intel's wireless display technology to send the screen from your computer over to the TV, and it basically works like a streaming video. So I'm going to connect this back up, and then I'll show you using screen capture software how the side of it works that's on your computer. This particular unit has a button built in that if I push the button, it automatically launches the Intel wireless display. On most units, you'd have to go to your Windows Start menu and launch the Intel wireless display, or use a function code on your keyboard, because a lot of them don't have a button built in. This one happens too. So what happens then is it launches the Intel wireless display software, and I would advise one of the first things you do if you get one of these is check for software updates. My unit, the connection was running a little slow between the laptop and the Netgear push-to-TV. I downloaded an update, and instantly it worked almost as fast as if it were connected via a wired connection. So after you pull up the connection, you hit a connect button, and the first time you do this, it's going to ask you to enter a code that will be displayed up here on the screen. I've already done that, but it's a simple 4-digit code. I'm pretty sure you can handle that part of the process. And as you can see, as I was sitting here talking, it popped up on the screen showing my desktop. If I want to look at, say, pictures, I can bring up a picture of, we'll bring up this picture of my daughter in her chicken costume from Halloween, and you can see it up there on the screen. This is one thing that I think is kind of a great use for this is you don't have to dig around for an HDMI connection to connect your laptop and be sitting like right next to your TV as you're trying to show off family pictures. You can just launch the Intel wireless display software on your computer, and everybody can sit on the couch and kind of browse through family photos together. You can also stream movies doing this, although I'm not going to show you movies in this video so that I don't get in trouble for any sort of licensing rights, but that also works pretty well. And I mean, you could, in theory, browse web pages and some other things, but I mean, this is kind of more of an entertainment experience than a productivity experience. I'll even hold it up here and click next, see what comes up. There's my son and one of his friends dressed up, and then of course the chicken again. But you can see I'm not connected to anything, and it is playing on the screen. So there you have it, Intel wireless display technology, making it possible for you to share your computer screen on your HDTV in your house without needing to connect any wires between the two.